Good day there, fellas. Today we have a little bit different of a video. Today we're going to be going over the Dewalt Portaband. This is the deep cut one, the XR. The specific part number is DCS374P2. Now, I bought this specifically so we can do charge pipes and large exhaust pipes, make some really nice pie cuts with it. As you can see, it looks like it comes with 2 batteries, 1 charger, and then the actual machine itself. So this is the first time I'm going to be unboxing this, so let's see what it's like. Welcome to Hi-Ho Stable Garage. Looks like a nice sturdy carrying case. Just kind of pull the cardboard off. There we go. Undo the latches. See what we got. Alright, yeah. It looks like we have one standard Dewalt charger for the 20 volt and 12 volt max series. We also have 2 Dewalt 5 amp hour XR batteries, which is pretty good. Another one is attached to the machine. I'm going to pull that out right now. Okay, let's flip it around here. Now, Dewalt makes 2 of these models here, and this model right here doesn't seem like it has a blade guard on this side, which is interesting. It's an interesting design choice. There must have been a reason for it. The smaller one, the one with the small cut, it does have a blade guard, so basically you can't get crap all inside your blades here, but not a big deal. That's sharp. Yes, sir. Doesn't look too bad. Has the battery on it. Got the safety right here, like all your other Dewalt tools. Not quite sure what this is. We'll figure that out later on. What's this? That's your belt tension right down here for changing your belts. There's also an adjustment point called blade tracking. And it looks like we got a nice dandy little hook here. So you can hang it up. I'm likely just going to keep mine inside my box. So we'll kick off the safety. Yes, sir. So it's on 1 right now. If I bring it to 5, that's exactly what it is. It's just simply for speed. So yeah. Let's go cut up some stuff. Try it out. See what I can do. Let's go do that. There we go. Make sure she's tight. See how it cuts. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. This Portaband is really going to help us fabricate on some future, upcoming, and very near future projects. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want more. I'll catch you guys in the next episode of Hi-Ho Stable Garage. All right, see ya.